I have a key fob for a Nissan Rogue. This is for 2014 through 2018. So if this is your key fob, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. It takes a CR2032 battery. You need a straight screwdriver, and the part that hooks to your keychain, you're going to see this little slot right here. And we're just going to stick our screwdriver in there and spin it all the way around. Once you do that, your key fob will open up. Next, you're going to see that your key pops open, and that's normal, and it's going to do that every time. And you're going to stick your screwdriver in there, and you're going to pop your battery. The positive side will go down, and you're just going to slide that in there, and just pop into place. Now, when you put this cover on, it snaps super tight, so you're really going to have to, like, bear down, grit your teeth to get that. So there's one little snap, but that's not all the way around, so you got to get... There we go. We got to get all sides. And then you got to really double check because it really locks on there tight. So you really got to push hard. Then after you got that, you're just going to hit the lock. I hear it's locking. And so that's working. So that's how you change the key fob for your Nissan Rogue. This is a 2014 through 2018. Hopefully this helps. Hit that thumbs up. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.